Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all, it's your girl Dia. Let me introduce myself in case you don't know. This year has not been a good year so far. We've all been sick in my house. I am just now recovering from a very bad cold. I had flu-like symptoms. I do think it was basically the flu. Been down for about 7 or 8 days. My kids were sick. The only person that wasn't sick was hubby. Let me tell y'all, woo-wee, I should know better. Talk about my hair, right? I should know when I go to sleep to wrap my head up with my bonnet, to put my silk pillowcase on and make sure my hair stays protected. This cold, flu, whatever you want to call it, hit me so bad. I didn't care about anything. I didn't care about what my hair looked like, and all I cared about was getting better and also getting my kids better. And I couldn't even wrap my hair up because even that hurt. That's how sick I was. Like, I didn't want to feel anything on me. It was just too much, y'all. And I'm still kind of underneath the weather, getting better, thank God, but I'm still like not as energetic as I usually am because, you know, I'm still going through it, but much better. But my hair, I don't know. It's a tangled mess. I haven't combed it in about a week. I haven't touched it. I haven't wrapped it up. I haven't applied any product to it. But because I'm feeling better today and I'm actually going back to work tomorrow, I gotta figure this out. Walk with me, all right? I'm gonna try something today. I'm gonna try first to detangle it as best as possible before I go in and wash, because I don't want to wash it while it's like this, you know what I mean? Because I feel like that won't be a good idea. I'm gonna need some water. And to detangle today, I am going to use Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. It's a refresher spray. It deeply moisturizes, improves softness, and prevents frizz. It doesn't say anything about detangling, but this is what I could find, and I think this might work. It says it's nourishing and conditioning. So let's see, why not? Let's try this out, okay? To clarify my hair after I detangle, I've been loving the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Rinse. A lot of people ask me, what do I clarify my hair with, you know, with the Blue Magic in my hair? Guys, I've been loving this. If you don't have this, you can use apple cider or add apple cider to your apple cider to your shampoo. But y'all, I've really been loving this. So let me see if I can detangle this real quick, and I just pray that my hair is not gonna fall out. It's not falling out because this is a mess. I'm gonna do it in sections, of course. See, look how raggedy, you know what I'm saying, this looks like. See, dry. So what I'm gonna do is just spritz some water. There we go. That made a world of difference. Water, it's good. And already you can see my hair starts to relax a little instead of being so like, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna take this conditioning spray and focus this mainly on the ends because I'm gonna go into my scalp with the apple cider rinse anyway, and just start detangling with my fingers. Oh, so I really like this. So it doesn't say anything about detangling, does it? Oh, it says spray evenly on dry styled hair to reactivate curls. So that's not what I'm using this spray for today. I'm just using it to detangle, and it's doing an awesome job, y'all. Shrinkage is real. See the difference? Cool. It's amazing to see 4C hair shrink. All right. My hair is so soft right now, y'all, as opposed to when this video first started. Very soft. The instructions on this says to wet scalp and hair, squeeze excess water out, section hair, use a bottle tip, gently squeeze the product into your scalp, massage into hair and scalp, leaving 1 to 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, and after that, you want to apply conditioner after this because it clarifies your hair, meaning your hair might be left a little dry. This removes product buildup. It seals the cuticle. It helps protect the natural pH of hair and refreshes the scalp. All right, so yeah, and you don't need to mix this with anything. Gonna take this nozzle and start applying this to my scalp first. And it's such a refreshing feeling. And it does smell like Cream of Nature products. I do smell the apple cider vinegar, but it's not like an overbearing, nasty smell. Then I like to go in with it and distribute it throughout the strands. So trust me, this will get rid of blue magic, any hard grease or products you have in your hair. It'll leave your hair basically clean, fresh and clean. And just to make sure I'm getting all up in my scalp, I like to separate some more and go in and directly apply that and then massage it. Especially if you have thick hair, always make sure to section your hair even more. So get it all up in there. Ooh, my scalp feels so good right now. And refreshed. It leaves like a cooling effect. If you don't like that cooling feeling in your hair, you might not like this, but I love it.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for...
So I'm just going to let this sit in my... It feels so good. Just gonna let this sit in my hair for about 3 minutes or so. Gonna rinse it out and then come back to show you guys what my hair and what my scalp is looking like before I condition, okay? Be right back. All right, so just got through, just got done washing my hair. Just want to show you guys how clean my scalp and my hair is. It's a little dry, not too dry, but I'm gonna go in with conditioner. But yeah, my hair is super clean, squeaky clean, y'all. I wouldn't recommend styling your hair like this right after you clarify it. You should go in with the conditioner to add that moisture back in your hair. And today I'm going to use the conditioner from Art Naturals, and it is their coconut and lime conditioner. You can use whatever conditioner you have. I typically like to go in with this conditioner. My 4C hair loves this stuff. I always like to start from the back and then just rake the conditioner throughout my strands. And I use a lot of conditioner, y'all. You know, sometimes they say use a dime size. Nope. My hair needs more than that, okay? And as you can see, my hair is still kind of detangled from earlier. It's not a matted mess like it was earlier. So I'm gonna cover my hair with a plastic bag. So I'm gonna let this conditioner sit in my hair for about half an hour while I run some errands, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and then proceed to style it for the week. Okay, so yeah guys, I just wanted to quickly come on here and show you guys the real deal, what happens to me sometimes. I'm not a hair guru, beauty guru. Okay, I make mistakes, I get sick. we all get sick, right? We're human. But yeah, sometimes I don't care about my hair, especially when it comes to my health, and especially when I'm not feeling myself. Yeah, I let myself go sometimes, all right? Is that a good thing? No. I just want to show you guys how it is sometimes. You don't have to be perfect. A lot of times it's not about the mistakes you make, but it is about what you do after the mistakes, what you do to make up for those mistakes and try to repair those mistakes. I've been rough on my hair this past week, but I'm doing everything now to try to fix that and make sure it doesn't happen again. Alright, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Any questions you have, feel free to leave it in a comment section and I'll get back to you. Alright, and I'm hoping by next video my spirits will be more up and I'll be more myself. Alright, but just bear with me for a little bit. Alright, y'all, until next time, bye.